Applying too much silicone caulk creates thick ridges and a messy finish that are easy to avoid and straightforward to fix. Start by cutting the nozzle small and at a shallow angle so the bead is naturally narrow and controlled, and run a steady, continuous bead using light, even pressure on the trigger. If you do over-apply, do not wait for the caulk to skin over because silicone begins curing on the surface quickly. Tool off the excess immediately with a caulking tool or a wetted finger wrapped in plastic. Use low-tack painter tape on both sides of the joint before caulking to limit overflow and get crisp edges. Remove the tape while the caulk is still wet by pulling it back on itself at a low angle. For cleanup on still wet silicone, use mineral spirits or isopropyl alcohol with a clean rag for the bulk. Then wash with soapy water. Once cured, silicone must be cut away with a sharp utility knife or removed with a silicone remover product according to the manufacturer instructions. When tooling, keep a consistent motion and pressure, and retool within minutes if the surface shows small imperfections, because once fully cured, you will need to cut and reseal. For future jobs, practice on scrap material to get bead size and speed matched to the joint width and depth to reduce waste and the need for correction. Common mistakes include cutting the nozzle too large, which leaves an overfilled joint. Fix this by cutting less off the tip and using multiple passes if needed for a deeper gap. Another issue is waiting too long to tool, which allows the skin to form and creates uneven texture. If that happens, cut away the skin and retool or remove and recaulk the section. A third problem is relying on dry tooling only, which can drag and leave sticky ridges. Keep a small container of water with a drop of dish soap to wet your tool or finger between passes and wipe excess immediately. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and project posts. We also host an active discussion community where tradespeople and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and post real project photos and feedback.